I call this presentation GetStocks, a quick flash view of common sense investing in the stock market. Hi, I'm Al Forster with AVF Consulting, LLC. My website is avfconsults.com. How would you like to become a more confident, less fearful investor in the stock market? How would you like to start making money in the stock market and feeling more secure doing so? How would you like to use your computer as an investment for making money rather than just spending money and playing games? I'm a retired chemical engineer with 41 years' experience in the chemical industry. I am not a financial planner or a stock analyst, but I am an investor who has been investing for retirement for the past 30 years. For the first 15 years, I averaged about 5% a year in the market. But about 15 years ago, I developed a stock buy, hold, sell strategy that I call Stockwatch Automation. With it, the money I had in my retirement fund 15 years ago has grown by over 500%. And since I continue to invest in the market over the last 15 years at the same rate I did during the first 15 years, my portfolio has grown over 650% in total. This year, the portfolio I developed as an example has increased around 25%. So what's my secret? I believe it's identifying when large investors like insurance companies and mutual funds are getting into or moving out of those sectors. Using the Stockwatch automation methodology, I identify 4 stocks in each of 35 to 40 sectors of the stock market that have tracked one another quite well over the past year. If 3 or 4 of those stocks in any sector go up 3 days in a row, and the daily volume of stock in that sector goes above the 90-day moving average volume for that sector, then I buy the stock in that sector showing the fastest rate of gain, or if I am already in the sector, I double my position in that sector. And conversely, if 3 or 4 of the stocks in any sector go down 3 days in a row on daily volume above the 90-day moving average volume, I have my position in that sector. Basically, I believe that the method works so well because it is using the brain power of a large portion of the financial market machine to determine when to get in and when to get out of each sector, not just a few analysts at Morningstar, Merrill Lynch, or others. I also believe that there is momentum developed behind any stock that the big investors are buying into, making the stocks increase dramatically, or conversely go down dramatically if the big investors move out of that stock or that sector. Because I watch some 35 to 40 sectors, which is 140 to 160 stocks, I have always used some kind of spreadsheet application to help with downloading and analyzing the financial data. I call my current, most sophisticated application for downloading and analyzing the financial data GetStocks. It automatically downloads 700 to 800 pieces of financial data off the internet and performs some 3,500 to 4,000 calculations in less than 1 minute, and provides color-coded indicators of which sectors to buy into and which sectors to sell out of. What I would like you to do is come to my website, www.avfconsults.com, view several tutorials that talk in more detail about the Stockwatch automation methodology. You can even download a free limited version of the GetStocks application by simply emailing me at al@avfconsults.com and deciding and then you can decide for yourself if this approach can make you a more confident, less fearful investor. I would also like you to look at several tutorials that are on my website to get a better feel for the Stockwatch automation methodology and the GetStocks application. If you decide that GetStocks can indeed make you a more confident, less fearful investor, then what I'd like you to do is you can buy the full-blown version of GetStocks, lease the full-blown version of GetStocks for a minimal initial development fee plus a monthly support and sustain fee. There are several discounts to be had if you buy for the remainder of the year in advance. I believe that the Stockwatch automation methodology has made me a more confident, less fearful investor, and I believe it can do the same for you. So come to my website and decide for yourself. Hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day. So this presentation you've been viewing for the last 5 minutes shows you how to download, install, configure, and use the GetStocks application. The last little segment shows you how Orb is used to display PDF files that GetStocks generates on your iPhone, iPod Touch, or Android. Have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon.